So people are going to write their prelims examination. What message, 3 or 4 things would you like to tell them?
I would say don't let anything faze you. What you've done is enough. Go there and have a fun time. Because I remember on the day of my prelims, I first went and sat in the wrong room. But I was 20 minutes before and I was checking everything, including my roll number on the table, and I realized this is the wrong room. And I remember they didn't let us take our watches inside. And my correct room had nursery level tables. And I realized, and I hunched over.
So they didn't let you take the watch?
No, sir, they didn't. I mean, not to put anyone on blast, but I remember there was some concern amongst the aspirants when they were going inside the exam center, and some were arguing, and I thought, you know what, it's fine. I'll just go in there and do my best. It's fine if I don't have a watch. And because I kept telling myself, just stay calm, just stay calm. And then in my correct room at the Prelims Center, we had nursery level tables and teacher level chairs. And I tend to hunch over while I write, and I don't particularly have great upper body strength. So I thought, oh, there's no way I'm going to not be in pain by the end of these 2 hours. So I sat on the floor and wrote my paper. And the point being, just do whatever it takes and just have fun. For example, my set, the first 20 questions were history, and history is notoriously difficult in prelims. And I could, in my first round, maybe mark 4 out of those 20 questions. But nowhere did I think, oh, ye to ho gaya, I'm not clearing. Till the end, I thought I'm just going to give my best. And I think that helps a lot, because a lot of the questions test your intuition, they test your confidence. And I think that's what I would tell the aspirants at this moment. It's not your knowledge, it's also your personality that is being tested. So just take a deep breath and do your best.